Yo, what's up, guys? This is Bart Bregman here from IQoptionWiki.com, and in this IQoption tutorial, I want to go through the hidden secrets, the hidden platform settings in the IQoption platform, and how it can help us to become a better trader. Let's dive into first our website here. I have an article here about the hidden secrets about the platform. I will drop my video below it here as well. I put links in the description. If you haven't opened a demo account yet, open it right now to start practicing. That about said, let's dive to the IQoption platform. So now in the IQoption platform, the first feature I wanted to talk about is a new feature, and that are the price alerts. For example, when you're trading Bitcoin, it was never possible to make a price alert, but now if you click on the plus icon here, and you have, for example, this horizontal support line, and you want to be alerted when the price hits that chart, you're just gonna click the plus icon, create a price alert, and if you go to more on the sidebar, and if you go to settings, and then you can add price alert in your sidebar over here. And if you open price alerts, you can open many price alerts and adjust your price alerts. Here in the left sidebar, you can move it up and down. You can make it every time. That makes the price alert crossing every time. So it's good, a helpful tool if you're trading, for example, Bitcoin, those kind of things. I'm gonna delete these. Now, second, I want to go through charts. And when you first download the platform, it can be very annoying that change interval automatically. That means when you zoom out, zoom in into a chart, that means that it's automatically going to change the interval of the candles. I personally don't want that because it's very annoying. I like to trade on one kind of chart, for example, the daily chart, or let me take the hourly chart here. And if you click that button, you can just zoom out, and your bar charts stay 1 hour charts. That's really helpful. Then if you go to indicators, there's some different features here. If you go to widgets, you can enable, and you can see how much volume the current asset is trading. Bitcoin is now trending up in volume, as you see, so that means there's more price volatility happening in the probably the upcoming future. You can add news in your charts. It's going to show you news events in the time frame here in the other bottom corner. I personally always disable that and put some chart here in the sidebar. Anyway, you can do that. You can add on historical trades and live trades from other people, and enable the high and the low. For example, when you're in a chart, this is the highest point. You can see that. And then on the right side, where you can disable and enable selling and buying ratio of the traders of IQoption. So you can see how many traders are in a sell position, and you can see how many traders in a buy position. Now, that about said about that, what you can do is you can go to settings in the corner. You can change the language of your platform if you haven't already done that, to your own language. You can scale in and scale out if you like it smaller, or if you like it bigger. Depends on you. When I'm making videos, I always like to do, because I'm making videos, it's good to explain it with a bigger ratio. You can choose the background. You can remove the world map. For example, you can make And if we go back, you can see here, now I have a white chart. Some people like to do it with white charts. Some people like to trade with black charts. Some people like to trade with the stock gray charts. Personally, I usually trade with just a gray chart without anything, but for the video, I keep it on this one, and I think that's pretty. So now you can adjust a few settings here, price line, whatever. You can customize that a little bit. About trading, if you trade, for example, assets, you can choose to make the trade in without confirmation. It can be very helpful in binary options, for example, to trade faster and quicker. It can be helpful in crypto. Or you maybe don't like to do that because maybe you make a mistake with a single click. You're in a trade, and if that click was not meant to be, then you're screwed, right? So that you can do. Some small settings here. We have keyboard shortcuts. I don't play too much around with that personally. You have notifications. You can put notifications in the background of your browser. For example, that you're opening the platform and you want that price alert in your browser. For example, that you're not opening the platform itself, but you want that price alert coming up in your browser. That's possible with this function here. Then you have some privacy settings. You can change your name, about. You can check the latest updates. That's about that. Then the nice thing about IQoption platform is that you can choose, for example, also I want to make a trade, for example, here a little bit above my support level, and I don't want to see if it breaks or not. You can add here the S price you like to have there, and you also automatically close and automatically open. For example, you're gonna this is very good for your risk management. You kind of say, I want to close the asset, or when I close the trade automatically by 10% profit, and I want to close trade automatically after a 5% profit. So you can set that up there. Here it can be very helpful. Now the last thing I want to talk about is the tournaments. Tournaments can be really fun, especially when you're starting out. The buy-in is usually very cheap or even free. Here, for example, only $4 entry fee. This tournament is totally free, and if you it, and you can see already here, even when you're a free trader, you can earn real money, $140 US as the winner. So that's maybe a fun thing to take part of. I like the tournaments. It's funny to play around. It's like playing a poker tournament, but then a little bit different. You have to trade a little bit more risky because you need to gain very quickly your balance and stuff. That's kind of fun way to a fun little extra feature in the IQoption platform. Not all countries are allowed to do it. So that about that. Thank you for watching. Like the video. If you want to see the next video, click on subscribe, hit the bell icon. You will be notified for my next video. And good luck trading. Thanks.